Alright, watching Life Season 1, Episode 3. These elephants were walking, and again the sun was setting, and again that's one of my secrets of catching these UFOs. Right there's a saucer. It flies by twice, and it's so hard to catch, but I got them right there. You're going to see this thing take off as soon as I have play. But again, it's in 47 minutes, 49 seconds, and 1 minute, 12 seconds left into the movie. That's a spaceship right there. Not a spaceship, but a saucer. So I'm gonna remove the title bar for a minute, just to get a better look. So that's it right there. Now let me hit play and watch that thing take off. Gone. And see how it went by twice? So rewind. Watch it fly right here between them. Boom, boom. See how it flew by twice? So, I'm going to try and freeze it. See how I missed it. But it flies by them twice. That's how fast they are. I'll catch it on the rebound track. I caught the tail end of it right there. So, that's the second side of it. It's not clouds. Watch that little thing right there. The disc is right here, about the width of my finger. Those are clouds right there, but that's the disc. Watch that move as I hit play. Gone. So rewind again. Sensors and highly developed intelligence. And those qualities. Boom, boom. See it fly by twice. One more time. I'll try and capture it this time. And highly developed intelligence. And those qualities. Boom. Again, damn it. Caught it on this trailing edge. That's half of it right there. Watch that take off. Contributed to their rewind. Sensors and highly developed intelligence. Watch it fly by. And those qualities. 1, 2. Boom. Contributed to their and it's super fast. I'm going to catch it this time. And those qualities. Wow. Super fast. Warm bodies, extraordinary senses, and highly developed intelligence. And those qualities contributed to bodies. See how fast it is? But again, this is a perfect sun setting. Highly developed intelligence. And those qualities contributed to their bodies, extraordinary senses, and highly developed intelligence. And those qualities. Damn. I guess that's when he says those. Warm bodies, extraordinary senses, and highly developed intelligence. And those qualities. Damn, missed it. Warm bodies, extraordinary senses, and highly developed intelligence. And those qualities. Just flew by. Watch. Missed it on both ends. That always happens. Extraordinary senses and highly developed intelligence. And those qualities. Damn, it's super fast. Warm bodies, extraordinary senses, and highly developed intelligence. And those qualities. Missed it. But I'll try one last time. If not, you guys got the coordinates. And highly developed intelligence. And those qualities. Damn. One more time. Warm bodies, extraordinary senses, and highly developed intelligence. And those qualities have contributed to bodies, extraordinary senses, and highly developed intelligence. And those qualities. Yeah, I can't get it, but that's the coordinates right there. Try it for yourselves. It's super fast, but I showed you in the beginning, and I also got it on film. 47 minutes, 51 seconds into the movie, with 1 minute, 10 seconds left. And it's Life Season 1, Episode 3, Mammals. As always, thank you for watching. Over and out.